One of the most impactful ways that retailers are using in-aisle loss detection, AI, in the real world is by integrating it with existing security systems and existing operations for security. Things like store guards, undercover store detectives, and security operations centers. Now, that infrastructure is already looking for theft events around the store all throughout the day. What we're able to do with AI is present them immediately when an event happens with evidence and with a detection that something suspicious has happened. For instance, if I come into this high value section and I take a bottle off the shelf and drop it into my personal bag, that is the type of concealment incident that could be a theft event that retailers already have teams looking for. The advantage we have is if I come over to our in-store dashboard, we've been able to detect and alert that immediately as it's happened. Now, this can go to security guards in the store, but it could also be sent through to security operations centers or anyone else who needs to see it in real time. And this allows the existing operation using a standard like, for instance, the ASCONE procedure, which shows approach, selection, and concealment to the retailer. This video shows the first half of that standard and allows the human operator to take over and run through the remainder of the process, maintaining observation, looking for non-payment, making sure they don't go to the checkout, and ultimately when the customer goes to exit the store, intervening and stopping the loss in the moment. It's the combination of the in-aisle loss detection powered by our AI and the existing power of the security operation that retailers have that creates a flywheel effect and improves outcomes for retailers massively.